Hi, welcome to another Veganuary video, day 24.
Day 24!
Bowie says,
Oh,
exciting.
Hello.
Today we're cooking out of the Joyful
beautiful.
cookbook. I think I got this last spring at Target because it's only a Target exclusive recipes.
Wonderful.
Not the book, but this version of it.
Right.
I bought this after looking at the desserts in here, and that year, well, last year, we had the baklava cheesecake.
Oh my god, yeah, that was so good. Delicious.
So this has a lot of Indian-inspired recipes, I feel like. This woman who wrote it, I believe, is also like gluten-free, and you know, she's got like food allergies and stuff.
Bless you.
So,
Bubby's got some allergies too.
He does.
What are you doing?
But today, should we just look at a couple of recipes?
Sure.
Oh, soba noodle salad, cauliflower tabbouleh. Cauliflower. Spinach, chickpea, and raisins. There's a lot of, ooh, look at these in the pita pockets.
Good.
Stuffed pita 4 ways. Oh, they even have a naan recipe. Let's see how it stacks up against the... Oh.
Mister, are you okay? Are you okay? You got the sneezies. Baby.
Alright, well, there's a lot of good stuff in here that obviously I haven't looked at. I made the other recipe and then I put this back on the shelf. So now is the time for me to discover my cookbook all over again. So today we're going to be making veggie rice paper dumplings.
Ooh, that looks so good.
And I'm not making it like they say.
What a surprise.
So they say to fill it with cabbage, bean sprouts, grated carrots, green beans, and then the spices. I'm just using coleslaw mix.
Okay.
Because this has the carrots in it already, and I don't feel like opening up a bag of green beans just to get a few green beans out of it, so
it's fair. We'll
just go with this. So let's get started because I have to go pick up my son soon. So this is going to be a quick recipe. We're going to, like we do with the avocado oil, and I'm going to put the whole bag of coleslaw mix in here. Because this is going to sweat down to like nothing.
True.
It doesn't look like it now, but
it's
not going to be much. If I was ambitious, I would cut up a few mushrooms to put in there, but not. I'm really not. So why don't you come back? I don't want to bore you.
All right. We'll be back.
Yeah. Ooh. All right. So you can see it's reducing quite a bit. Now we're going to add in the seasonings. I don't have fresh ginger at the moment. I used it all up. So I'm going to use a little bit of this organic ground ginger. Not measuring. You can't make me. I won't. And then I'm also going to put in a little bit of sesame oil for flavor mostly. A little bit of this goes a long way. We found that out. And I've got some tamari, which is basically soy sauce, but gluten-free. Because I am also gluten-free unless I get European products that don't have glyphosate. Alright, so I'm just going to give this a quick mix. I'm going to turn the heat off on this. And we're going to assemble our little dumplings.
Alright, little dumplings.
Yeah, little dumplings. Alright, we're ready to assemble. So we're going to be using some spring roll wrappers. These are made from rice flour. Rice.
Okay.
The way I like to do these is I have a plate of water here to, you know, wet them. Because they need to be rehydrated, but I also like to put in a little bit of tamari for flavor because these are very bland.
It's like an art project.
Kind of. So the way you do this is you take one rice paper, and I like to flip it over. You let it sit for like 15 to 20 seconds. So it sucks up the juice. It's got the juice.
It does.
Has it been 15 seconds yet? Probably not.
I
It's
don't
still
think
pretty
so.
It's still pretty stiff. You could tell when it's made the turn. This is too stiff still. We don't want it to be like limp.
But you also don't want to rip it because it's too
stiff. As we wrap this, it will also still suck up some more water. So this is pretty good, like this. We're going to put it here. We're going to put a spoonful of the mixture on here, which is still pretty hot.
Don't burn yourself.
I know. Oh, I dropped it again. So you wrap this up like a burrito or an egg roll. And that is what we're going to make out of all of these. I'm going to turn on my pan over here to medium. And I'm going to put a little bit more avocado oil in there because we're going to fry these.
Oh.
I don't really like frying.
We don't usually do that.
No. If you didn't want to fry these, you could put these in the air fryer or a convection oven. What I would do is take a little tahini. This is what we did when we wrote our cookbook, because we wrote an air fryer cookbook. Take a little tahini and mix it with the water and the tamari. And that's going to give it a little bit of an oily coating on the outside so that when it fries, it's going to get nice and crisp and not just hard on the outside. There's a difference between crisp and dried out. So we want it crisp.
Right.
So we're going to keep making these. I guess we can put this one in. Oh yeah, you hear it.
Sizzle, sizzle.
So I got my assembly line going here and then we'll check back.
All right, good luck.
Thank you, I'm going to need it. So I got to get out of here soon.
All right.
All right, we're ready to make our sauce. She pairs this with a spicy sriracha sauce.
We can't handle it.
No. So we're going to do, I don't even know if this goes together. It sounds good to me though, and I had it. So I have some hoisin sauce, which is totally different culture. I like it. So I'm going to put in a little bit of hoisin sauce. I'm also going to do a little bit of tamari. And we're going to do some sesame seeds. I would have liked to have toasted them, but any port in storm, right? I got to get out of here.
Yeah, you got to go soon.
So we're just going to mix that up. Oh, wonderful.
Beautiful.
We're just taking the last two off of the heat here.
Looking good.
So don't eat those because those are so hot.
Blazing
so we're
hot.
going to do maybe those.
Ooh, look at that.
Yes. Are you ready to taste test?
Well, you go first.
Okay.
Well, because you're on that side.
Yeah. Ooh, they're hot. Let me get a little tiny plate that says taste. And let me cut this in half because I'm not going to eat a whole one right now.
Yeah.
So you can have half and I'll have half. And they are freaking hot.
Oh my god, it's steaming.
Ugh. It's like we just picked it up from the takeaway.
I feel like you picked one of the hotter ones. Like, I think there were cooler options.
No, I don't think so. All right, so...
Please don't burn yourself. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Yeah?
The sauce is really, like, salty, though.
Oh.
Probably could have left the soy sauce out, so I won't put as much.
How is it without the sauce?
I don't know. I don't care.
Whoa. There you have it.
Super Bowl.
Oh, yeah. That would be good for the Super Bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Good idea.
Let's see what you think.
Okay.
It's a little bland without the sauce,
Uh-huh.
so I wouldn't recommend not having a sauce.
Okay. Am I gonna burn myself?
No.
But it's me. I'm already burning my hands.
Yeah, but it's Right?
Delicious.
You're not burning yourself, right?
No.
No. It is really good.
Yeah, I like it. Little crispiness on the
Yeah.
paper.
I in the future when we make this, I would probably do it in the air fryer or the oven
I think that'd be good.
because I don't like frying
Uh-huh.
and I think it would be better. Yeah. It's a winner, baby. So make sure you check out Joyful. I'm not even going to try and massacre her name here. It's Roddy. So I can't even see the whole last name because it's underneath the sticker. But great cookbook. The cheesecake was delish.
Oh, yeah.
This recipe is delish.
Very, very tasty.
Once Veganuary's over, I am going to be cooking out of all of the cookbooks that I have.
Yeah, books.
Even the ones that I didn't showcase during Veganuary. If you guys saw my cookbook collection, you would poop in a diaper.
It is pretty,
I might have 100.
it's pretty substantial.
I might have 100 cookbooks, and I gave some away.
Yeah.
Plus, we have some upstairs that aren't vegan.
Right.
But I mean, I literally have like 100 vegan cookbooks.
Yeah.
So thanks, guys. Come back for Veganuary. Veganuary.
Wow.
All I'm thinking is I got to get to the supermarket
you gotta
before I
go.
get my son. So like, come back for Veganuary day 25. Whoa.
We're getting there.
Yep.
Thanks
I'll
so
leave
much
a
for
link
watching.
in the info box. And until next time,
Much love.
bye.